So, to get the video started, because I don't hardly ramble on, I ain't that type of YouTuber. I don't go like on and on a video. We're going to be removing the steering column today out of this stud into Camaro. And the easiest way we found to do it is undo that little bolt here at your knuckle joint. That is a 15mm on a car. If somebody ain't changed yours, hopefully it's the same. This is the newish steering column we got. You got two bolts to the top of the dash here. You can see this is where the steering wheel goes, right here and here. This does plug in, so you will have to unplug this. And down here at the bottom, if you notice, there's 3 bolts. Now that's the best I can show you on this, because there ain't going to be enough room for my camera under the dash. The bolts down here was 10mm, if that will help you guys out. The bolts on top of the steering column are 13mm. And get a friend to help hold this up, because this will fall down on you if you ain't careful. Just so you guys know, you do have a shift cable you will need to unplug also. And the top of your neutral safety switch, you can see it's plugged in up there, will need to be unplugged also. So you want to compare your steering columns. This is a 80-some model steering column that we got for replacement, and this is the 92. Key switch was broke out of this, and he left the car setting, and somebody did try to snatch the car off of him one time, so it got broke out. They didn't get the car, but it did destroy the steering column. That's why we're replacing it. Car no longer has a motor in it. It's getting LS swap, and it's been setting for years since it happened. Motor got pulled out, used in something else. You know how it goes. So everything looks identical. But this is a tilt column. These are actually bad for the bearings that go bad, and then, you know, people, that one's got a little play in it. Turn signals, everything looks identical. 3 prongs here. 3 prongs here. The little snap thing. I see aim is broke, but that holds on with some screws. A little difficult to get to, but you just undo that. This one popped off. The plug-in. No wires here. 3 here. 4 skip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay, they identical. The wire is a little bit different here. Got this for the airbag, and you don't have an airbag wire on that one. And this guy is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this the same? Nope, this is not the same. So this is different. Now we will need this off this car to get this to work. Pink wire, pink, gray, purple, black. Yep. You got the parts, Carl, Amos? Okay. So that's how you remove your steering column. It goes back in the same way as you would, you just tuck it out. That little cable is a little different, so we technically couldn't use that steering column, but we're gonna just, this is getting the LS in it and everything. All we needed to do is crank over, start, and power the gauges, so, and work the windshield wipers and stuff. I can figure that out. We got the parts car. We're gonna go snatch that connector off of it. After we paint the firewall and everything, we'll be hooking up the 80s model steering column into this. It should work out good. That'll be another video for another day. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, leave a comment. Enjoy hearing from every one of you guys. It also helps other people needing this information find it a little bit more easier. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and check back almost daily for a new video.